learn how to make heart shape in Adobe Illustrator. Select rectangle tool and click once on the artboard. Add the height and width, press OK. Here is the square needed to make a heart. Now select ellipse tool, click once on the artboard, add the height and width for the circle in the ellipse panel. Click OK. Here is the circle needed to make the heart. Remember to add same height and width for square and circle. Copy circle and paste it. Now arrange the circles on the square same as I am doing here. Select all shapes using the selection tool. From the Pathfinder, select Unite. If you cannot find Pathfinder, go to Windows, select Pathfinder. Now select Unite option from the panel. Rotate the shape, and here is the perfect heart shape. You can make its duplicates, and also you can easily change the size of heart. You can fill any of your desired color in the heart.